Hello student, here is a question which says 2 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas. The gas is ideal, so it will follow the equation Pv equals to nRT, and the number of moles is 2, and this is monoatomic, so the gamma is equals to 5 upon 3. So these are the values which we get by reading the first statement. Okay, so 2 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas is taken through the cycle ABCA. So this point is A, this one is B, this one is C, and again this is A. So this is a cyclic process. And the PT diagram is given, pressure and time diagram is given. During the process AB, means this process A to B. During the process AB, the pressure and temperature of the gas vary such that PT equal to constant. So this is not a general process, it is simply PT equals to constant. Okay, so this is PT equals to constant, and we have given the values of temperature here, T1 which is 300 and 2T1 will be 600. Okay, so these are the temperatures T1 and T2, and the amount of heat released by the gas during the process AB is this. So what is the value of X? Means we have to calculate the amount of heat released during the process AB, and after that we will easily calculate X. Okay, so now we will try to put this given condition in a uh, identifiable process or something like that. So we will first here replace the value of t. Okay, so we will replace the value of t, because in adiabatic process we have studied that if pv to the power gamma is a constant term, this is an adiabatic process. So we will try to convert pt equal to constant in a form of pv. So using pv equal to nRT, we can write t as PV upon NR. Okay, so P into T is PV upon NR, which is a constant. Suppose the constant is K. Now this becomes equals to P square V equals to K N R, and all these three terms are constant. So P square V is also a constant term. Okay. Now if we want to write in the form PV to the power something, then it will be P V to the power 1 by 2 equal to constant. Okay. So here the formula is not for PV gamma constant, because if this one is gamma, then it must be 5 by 3, because the process is uh, because the gas is monoatomic, and in case of monoatomic the gamma is 5 by 3. So this is not of the form PV to the power gamma, it is of the form PV to the power x equal to constant, where x is equals to some constant, you can say it as 1 by 2. So this x is not the value here. Okay, it is another x. Okay, so x is equals to 1 by 2. It is a simple simple process, not a standard process. And for calculating molar heat capacity, we know the formula C equals to R upon gamma minus 1 plus R upon 1 minus X. For any for any type of process, we can write this formula to calculate molar heat capacity. Now, R upon gamma for monatomic gas is 5 by 3 minus 1, okay, minus 1 plus this one is R upon 1 minus 1 by 2, okay. Now, you will get here the value of C. You will get the value of C in terms of R. So this is R upon 3 by 2 minus 2R. Okay. I think I am right. 5 minus 3, 2, or this one 3R by 2. So you will get here minus 0.5 R. So this is the value of C here. Now, as we know that the value is, I have made some mistake because I am getting the negative value. Let me check. So 5 minus 3, it is 2, and 3 in the power. This one is 1 by 2. So R by 1, 1 by 2. Okay, so 2R. Okay, now I have got that value. This one is plus. Okay, so that is why I'm getting the wrong value here. Now, not an issue. So this will be 2 plus 4 plus 7, 7R by 2 So this is 3.5 R. Okay, so this is the value of molar heat capacity. Now we know the molar heat capacity by this formula, and we have to calculate the heat released in the process AB. So for this value, we have to take the formula heat released during the process AB, heat released during the process AB, heat released during the process AB. For this, we have to use the formula Q equals to QAB is equal to NC delta T. Okay, and we have calculated the value of C. So N is 2 moles and C is 3.5 R. And what is delta T? Delta T is the change in temperature from A to B. So temperature at B minus temperature at A, because it should be final minus initial. So final point is B. So at B the temperature is 300, at B the temperature is 300, and at A temperature is 600. So we will write it as 2 into 2 into 3.5, you can write it as 7R into T at B, temperature at B 300 Kelvin minus temperature at A 600 Kelvin. So this is minus 2100 R. Okay, so I think we have found found the value of x in the question asked. The question is asking about the value of x. So here the value of x is 2100. So our answer is 2100. I hope that this cleared you out. Thank you very much.